Hi everyone, my name's Gabby and welcome to my channel. So if you do like what you see today, then you can subscribe below, and if you like it, then please give me a thumbs up. Today we are going to do a Lovisa haul, if that is how you pronounce it, because I'm not overly sure. The Lovisa shop is basically a jewellery shop, okay? I didn't know what this shop was until I was in the city the other day and my daughter wanted to go in there and I said, yeah, why not? Let's go and have a little look. And lo and behold, there was incredible jewellery at incredible prices, okay? Now, maybe it's because of the COVID-19, I'm not sure, but for some reason, they had an amazing sale on, okay? So I went a little bit crazy in there, or you would think I went crazy. In fact, just to let you know now, here's my receipts. I spent £26, okay? But what I should have spent was well over 100, around about 130 something. So you're gonna see in this bag today some amazing bargains, okay? I'm a singer, and one of the things I love when I get dressed up to go on stage is to have different earrings in. I like bold, brash earrings, and I like to make a bit of a statement. And earrings are amazing because they can jazz up any type of outfit. Personally, I wouldn't pay anything more than £10. I do have some expensive earrings, but I tend to start losing them. So what is the point in spending any more than £10 on a pair of earrings, okay? The ones I'm wearing today, I don't know if you can see them, they are very simple earrings. They're from Next and I paid about £6 for them, but in here, you're gonna see some incredible bargains. Not only do they put your earrings in the most cutest little bag, which reminds me very much of Pandora, it's so lovely to walk away with, but they wrap them in the most cutest tissue paper. I say cutest tissue paper, it's only black, but it goes with the handles, so I really like it. So I'm just going to unwrap them and show you exactly what we've got in here, and I'm going to bring them a bit closer to the camera so you can have a good look. So I've gone for bold brash earrings. So I went for these. Just going to bring them a little bit closer. You'd look at them on the shelf and you would be like, these are just way too big, way too big. But if you wear a simple little black dress, something like that, something plain, a plain colour, and just put these earrings in, they don't look too bold and brash, but what they do is make your outfit look incredible. Now, full price, these would have been £10, and I picked them up for £2. Wow, that's good. That's a good start. That is the first pair of earrings. Again, the same colour, slightly different texture, I would say, and I didn't pay any more than £2. And again, they look big and bold, but with a subtle dress, they look incredible. Perfect for on stage for me as well. These full price were £8. £2 I picked them up for. Wow. I can almost see my face in them. They're so shiny. These ones I just love. These remind me of the sort of earrings I'd like to wear on my holidays. But at the moment, I'm not going on any holidays. I don't think anybody is anytime soon. I'll probably wear these when I do my indoor gigs. And this is a really beautiful summer colour. It's like a coral, kind of pastel-y, peachy kind of colour. And again, I love it. You could wear it with anything plain. These full price were £10. I picked them up for £2. These earrings that I bought, they were going to keep me going for quite a long time. But I love them. I love the statement. They've got these beautiful like little pearls. I love a hoop earring anyway. So they're part hoop, part dangly, really. I like the fact that you've got those little pearls around the hoop and then you've got this little pearl at the bottom. These I picked up and thought, these are so nice. They're really little, but they are great for any occasion. So you could wear them if you're out and about, you could wear them during the day. You've got different colours in there. So you've got like a pink, a yellow, a blue, 2 different shades of purple. So you could wear them with any sort of summery colour, that you could wear them day or night. So I think they're going to come in very handy. These were £8, but I picked them up for £2. But there's more. There's more in my little Mary Poppins bag. Okay, I don't know whether I want to sit down or crawl or what here. Should have had a table, really. I've got these lovely earrings, like a nice heavy sort of metal, but these are great. They will take you right through to the winter. So I don't think they're just selling off summer earrings. I think it just must be the particular season that they're trying to sell. But these were £12, which I picked up for £2. Again, because these are a plain colour, they will go pretty much with anything. I really like them. I like the detail. They've got a nice little crystal around them as well. So like a flowery, gothic kind of crystal. Love them. I like them ones a lot. These ones, again, they remind me of like summertime, which is quite uncanny as it's the summer. But they're a lovely little pastel colour. I really like this, like, I don't know, like a greeny minty kind of colour, but I really like that. I mean, I don't know what they're supposed to be, just like little balls or baubles kind of, but they're dangly, they're cute. I think they're gonna, you know, really make a difference. It is amazing how a pair of earrings, if you don't have your earrings in, your face can just look so plain. But if you've got a pair of earrings in, it just does so much more to your features. It just brings out, you know, the colour in your eyes. They just look so beautiful. It makes your hair look good because you've got your earrings glistening and stuff. Not that these are going to glisten, but they're definitely eye-catching. I think that they are really nice. Summery. Can't wait to wear them. These were £10 and I picked them up for £2. Now we're going on to these danglies here. Dangly earrings, I like to call them. When I call them danglies, I mean seriously dangly. I really love these. How cute are they, these little floral ones? Again, it's got that little black flower in, so you could probably wear this like any time of year. When you're wearing these on stage, or if you're just having a general night out, they will shimmer and look so cute. And they were originally £11 and I picked them up for £2. So another bargain, but I love them. People would probably look at them in the shop again and go, wow, way too dangly. They're just lovely. I think dangly earrings are great. I don't think men would agree, but what do men know? Not really. These ones are absolutely stunning. I would probably have paid the full price for these, to be honest with you. I love them. I call them like the rainbow earrings. They're just so nice. They've got like a yellow and purpley kind of pink look to them. Like little diamonds. Obviously they're fake diamonds, of course they are, but they are so nice. Really like them. Really nice for on stage. They're originally £10, but if I'd have seen them on the rack at £10, I probably would have gone for these, because even from a distance when you see them up on the rack, they're really eye-catching, and I think I probably would have paid for those. So yeah, well, I mean, I paid £2 for them, of course, but I think I probably would have paid the full price. That's my sort of earring. So next in the Mary Poppins bag, what I like about this is these earrings are going to probably last me all year. Shame I've got nowhere to go out to, really. So I'm going to start with these. I told you that I really like the rainbow colours. Here's a different type of rainbow one. Okay. Wow, they are so glitzy. So glitzy. Well, what colours they got? Purple, pink, yellow. Like a diamondy colour. They are so lush. I mean, I wish I had a mirror. I wish this was like a selfie camera so I could have a little glance, because I haven't actually put these up against my ears. And some people would go, wow, they're way too OTT. But if you're in show business, then you need OTT. And they are glamorous, they're cute, they are glitzy, they are everything a female vocalist want. And I've picked these up for £2. I mean, it's a bargain. Can you guess how much these were full price? Could it be 5? Could it be 8? Could it be 10? No, £15. Would I have paid £15? No, because I'm not going to pay no more than a tenner for a pair of earrings anymore. I believe somebody would have done, definitely. They're incredible. I am a massive fan of hoop earrings, okay? My husband can't stand a hoop earring. Me as a woman, I love them. I love them. I love them to wear during the day. I can wear them with anything. Sometimes I can wear them doing casual stuff, even if I've got my trainers on, or, you know, I've got my hoodie and just my scruffs in general. I can wear my hoop earrings and I just think that they just look lush, okay? But there's only so many different types of hoop earrings. You can get like, well, your gold, your silver, your small ones, your medium ones, or your larger ones, or your extra large ones, which look ridiculous and will get caught on anything, okay? But however, when I'm out and about, I like the hoop earring that has got something in that's slightly different, so I can have a bit more variety rather than just the plain hoop earring on your jewellery shelf. I had to go for this. On the outside, they look completely plain, but on the inside, I don't know if you can see this or not,
but they've got the most beautiful crystal all in the inside. So let's just remind ourselves, this is not real crystal, but who cares? When you're wearing this, is anyone analysing your ears? Is anyone saying, excuse me, but they are not real crystal? No, nobody's checking out your ears, only from a distance. And it doesn't matter anyway, as long as they look nice and, you know, they don't interfere with your ear, you don't have a reaction or anything. Why pay over the odds when they can look this beautiful in your ear? £2 bargain. And I can actually see through the back of the phone, they're glistening now. They're so cute. They're going to be wonderful on stage. They're a lovely little size. They're not too big, not too small. They're just perfect. And full price, these were £14, £2. I love these hoop earrings. I may even wear these tomorrow for my home gig. Who knows? And again, had to get them another form of hoop earring with a nice bit of crystal on the outside. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm sure I have seen earrings that look really similar to this before, maybe in like Dorothy Perkins or somewhere like that. I just looked at them and thought, you know, I will grab them. They're £2 and they're quite glitzy. Can't go wrong. It's nice to have variety. And they should have been £6. So full price, these were not incredibly expensive, but they're just really pretty. And I just thought, put them in the bag, put them in. This is the last pair of earrings I bought. They're not OTT. They're really, really lovely. They're subtle earring. I could probably wear these during the day or at work. Perfect for work, probably, if I'm doing reception type duty. They look quite expensive, and they're really not. They're £2. But they look like they could have come from like that Hin's jewellery shop. Maybe H. Samuel's. I know they're not overly expensive in there, but you can get an expensive pair. But, you know, people wouldn't really know the difference, I don't think. And they're just another type of earring you can wear. £9. Wow. I like the detail on it as well. I like the fact there's a little diamond there, or a fake diamond. Whoever designs these earrings, how do they keep coming up with all these different ideas of how to make them? But you can go into this jewellery shop, this Lovisa, and for miles when you go in there, they've colour coded it. You've got your blacks, you've got your reds, all these different colour codes and all these incredible designs of earrings, not overly expensive. And I just think, where do they get the ideas from? Because when they've run out of those, where are the next lot of ideas going to come from? Anyway, I thought I'd just round it off, and I treated myself to a belly button bar because that was only £2 from £14.50. I've had the same belly button bar for like years and years and years, and I must have like 5 that I don't even think about anymore. So I thought, well, you know, I'm going to buy that. I'm going to buy it for £2. I'm not the sort of person who's got that sort of skin where you have reactions if it's not real gold or real silver. I can just put anything in my ears, around my neck, or in my belly button, to be fair. So I just thought, yeah, why not? Well, why not give this a go? Gold plated it is. I didn't know that. I never read that. So they are all the earrings that I've purchased from this incredible shop that I'd never heard of before. So I spent £26 on jewellery, earrings, which will probably last me all year. And if I'd have paid full price, I'd have spent well over 136 quid. So, all at £2 each. Incredible. There you have it. Wow. So that is my Lovisa haul. If you have enjoyed my haul, please subscribe below. So underneath this video, you'll see the subscribe button. So please give it a click so that you can tune in for the next haul that we do. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my Lovisa haul, if that's how you pronounce it. And I'll be back next week, whether it be a haul or a gig or a song. I'll be back. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you next week. Bye.